Hello po, magandang araw po muli. Ito po ang The Stock Market today, January 17, 2023, Tuesday edition. At mabuhay po kayo, welcome po sa ating daily report. Ang ating news ay tungkol po sa GT Cup at Metro Pacific. Ako po si Benji Chidoro, isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market ng 2007. Araw-araw ko pong binabalita ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stock sa Philippine market. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, niimbitahan ko po kayong mag-subscribe. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review o may mga tanong tungkol sa Philippine stock market o may mga tanong tungkol sa wealth management, paki-comment lang po sa comment box at aking pa-prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Ang mga sinasabi ko po dito ay hindi po financial advice. Get well soon to my cousin Mari. Sana ay makarecover ka na. Huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi natin ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, January 17, 2023, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Don't go away. Ang ating news ay manggagaling po sa BDO Securities. Ito po yung headlines nila. Remittances rise 5.7% year-on-year in November. Government raises 15 billion pesos from T-bills. Magkano na kaya siya? 91-day T-bills is at 4.25%. 182 is 4.97%. While the 364 is at 5.45. Ganda na rin yan, ha? For 2023, national government intends to borrow 2.2 trillion with a 75-25 mix in favor of domestic sources. GT Cup interested in raising stake in Metro Pacific. Ito po ang ating main news. MER and AP mull over extension of power deal. Nickel earmarks 2.9 billion pesos for RE unit. So ito po yung Nickel Asia, and they're investing in renewable energy. Pizza ramping up peri-peri expansion. Ang main news natin ay ito, no? GT Cup interested in raising stake in Metro Pacific. So tingnan natin muna si Metro Pacific. MPI right now, kasi ngayon po ay 10:09 in the morning, and it's at 4:03 up 2 centavos si Metro Pacific. It has been moving up steadily. So, ito po ang ating main news. Manila, Philippines, T-led GT Capital Holdings, one of the country's biggest conglomerates, will vie for higher stake in Metro Pacific Investments Corp or MPIC if the opportunity arises. Wala pa ito. According to its Vice Chairman Alfred T. We're open to discuss opportunities, T told Star yesterday when asked if GT Capital is interested in expanding its 15.6% stake in the Pangilinan-led tollways and infrastructure conglomerate. He is also vice chairman of MPIC after the two conglomerates formed a strategic alliance in 2016 wherein GT Capital acquired a 15.6% stake in MPIC for 29.89 billion pesos, making the T-led holding company the largest minority investor in Metro Pacific. For now, however, T said there is nothing definite yet, although MPIC has always been in talks with interested investors. GT Capital has 2 board seats in MPIC, with the other seat occupied by GT Capital co-vice chairman Francisco Sebastian. MPIC's share has been going up in the past weeks following a report by website Billionario that potential new investors, including Japanese trading giant Mitsui, are interested in acquiring a substantial stake in the company. Okay, so nothing definite here yet, no? And there is activity in the stock of Metro Pacific. At tingnan natin ang most active stocks. Ito po ay as of 10:11 and most of the stocks in the index are down. BDO is down 1.35%, ACEN is down 3.41%, SM is 1.85% down also, Ayala Corporation is 1.56%. Ang bright spot lang po dito is Converge, which is up 1.81%. So tingnan natin yung left side, ano? Ang common names na nakikita ko po dito sa left side is Wilcon, up 3.28%, Merrimart 2.88%, and PAL is also up, VREIT is also up, and that's it, no? Fruit is down, Monde is down, PX is down, ACEN, yan, nasabi ko na yan kanina. Okay, so let's take a look at your comments. Okay, sabi po ni John kay Dick, good day po sir, request po pa review A Soriano Corp, more power po. Okay, sige, salamat. John kay Dick will do that. And then Raquel Robrigado, thank you sir, hirap pa po akong makapasok sa trading platform ng my trade through Ramper Financials. Dami pong securities na pinagdadaanan, tagal po ng verification ng mga documents. Gusto ko pong bumili ng mga stocks na ina-analyze mo. God bless sir. Okay, sige po. At alam niyo po, yung mga platforms na yan, sanayan lang po yan. Kasi meron po akong online platform na nakasanayan ko na rin. Jerome Zarcilia, maraming salamat sa inyong pagtsatsaga araw-araw. Kung mapapansin lang ng mga viewers niyo, lahat ng nirecommend yung stocks ay lipad lahat. Naku, hindi naman po lahat. Meron din pong hindi tumutugma. Okay, salamat po John or Jerome Arcilia. Okay, so let's now go to PSEI, no? Kasi PSEI as of 10/14 is at 6962.94 or 82.54 points down, 1.17%. So mukhang umagang-umaga ay nagpo-profit taking po siya. Although yesterday, the index was already overbought at 70.99. So we'll be back later as the market closes, and don't go away. Okay, we're back. The Philippine Stock Exchange Index declined by 31.44 points. Nag-profit taking to. Nasa 7,014.04. Pero slight decline lang po ito, no? 0.45% down. Ang market activity, 111 ang bumaba, 77 ang umabante, at 38 ang hindi nagbago. Ang all-share index bumaba rin ng 0.47%, slightly higher than the PSE index. Lahat po ng sectoral indices except properties and services are down. Properties led the gainers at 1.12%, pero hindi naman kalakihan ang baba ng financials, holding companies, industrials at mining. Kaya lang mas matimbang pa rin na bumaba yung ating index. Ang most active stocks ay SM, BDO at SMPH at ICT, no? Si SM and BDO lost, no? SMPH gained, ICT gained slightly, but ACEN lost 4.12%. So we'll be taking a look at the following, ano? ANS, RLC, SM, BDO, SMPH, at ACEN. Now let me just read the one that I missed earlier. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtsatsaga araw-araw, si Jerome Zarcilia. Kung mapapansin lang ng mga viewers ninyo ang ni-recommend stocks. And then meron pa siya dito, si Errol Postrado. Hi sir, maaari bang i-review ang RLC? Salamat po and God bless. Palagi po ako nanonood ng mga stock reviews nyo everyday kahit nasa work po. From Singapore. Naku, mabuhay ka, Errol Postrado. Wag mo lang pabayaan ang trabaho mo, ha? Baka, wag lang. Wag ka na lang manood kung makakasagaba lang, ano? Pero okay lang kung off or naka-break ka. Okay, so let's now start with Anscore. H. Soriano, no? Request po ito. ANS. Naku, alam mo, sporadic itong trading dito. Pero may net foreign buying siya, 23.90. It's bullish actually, mataas po yung RSI. Pero yung structure po ng kanyang chart, technically, mukhang the volume is not sufficient, ano? Kasi minsan tumataas, minsan bumababa. Maraming mga maliliit na dojis po dito. But right now, ay bullish po si ANC, no? Or ANS. At tingnan natin yung kanyang third quarter earnings. It's a loss. Net loss po siya. Pero nagbigay po siya ng dividendo, no? Na 50 centavos. So basically, si ANS ay ended up with a doji losing 1 centavo. Pero structurally, it's bullish, pero mukhang walang masyadong trades ito. Kaya maraming makikita tayong mga short candlesticks and then spurts of green and red candlesticks na meron itong stock na ito. Not much trades. Ang pinaka-support, siguro support na lang tingnan natin dito, no? Let's take support at 8.88 yung EMA 20, pero yung 52-week high niya is 10.44. 52-week low is 7.80. Yan po. Ito, nag-spike siya dito, no? Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari dito. Anyway, paakyat po siya, technically, but there is not much trades. And then, let's take a look at RLC. Bearish po si RLC. At makikita nyo po yung black line, ano? Generally, pababa po siya. RSI, nasa 40.15. Ang support nito, nasa 14.76. No? Support and resistance, hindi po yung exact points. Pero generally, downward trend po siya. Ngayon, ang resistance, it's very thin, ano? I can see resistance here at 15.39, but it's very thin. The direction of the price is downwards. RSI is bearish at 40.15. Yun po nakikita ko kay RLC. Tapos si SM naman, wait, tingnan natin kung may fundamental si RLC. Na. Robinson's Land. May buy rating si BDO Securities with a target price of 26 or a 73.8% upside. Malaki pa lang upside nito. 14.92, but yesterday's prices was 14.96. Okay, it's there's a large upside, no, for RLC, but technically it's bearish. Then SM, doji din si SM. Although marami siyang trades, may net foreign selling siya, and the support, I see it here. Nasa 900 po ang support niya. 900.80 ang pinaka-support ni SM. And recently, it reached 995, or the 52-week high is 995. So, pinaka-support po niya nasa 900.80. And let's see if we can see the next resistance. Okay, this is a 1-week chart. I think this is resistance level na. Itong areang to. Yan po. Nasa 940 po ang resistance level. It is resistance level already. But the next higher resistance, hindi ko lang ma-plot na cover po ng mga, siguro nasa 1,000 po ang next resistance level niya. Yung next higher resistance ni SM. Then, si BDO naman. BDO, nag-profit taking to. Nasa 100. Okay, let's take a look at the daily chart. Okay, nagkaroon siya ng doji, pero there was a slight profit taking, or may profit taking po siya today. Otherwise, the trend of the stock is upwards, no? Kasi may volume po the previous day. So, maaaring magko-consolidate lang po siya dito sa area to eh. So, area of consolidation to. Yan po. Yan po yung area of consolidation eh. So before it can move or it will move higher, ay nagko-consolidate po muna si BDO. The support of BDO na dating resistance nandito po sa 113.37. So BDO is moving up and it is bullish. So yesterday po nag-oversold po si BDO based on the RSI at 73.75. Tapos si SMPH naman. Okay, SMPH also ended with a doji, but it is bullish. Though doji siya. Siguro let's try the parallel channel here. So yan po ang parallel channel ni SMPH. At from the parallel channel, we can take the support and resistance. The resistance at 39.34, while the support is at 35.64. RSI is bullish. Nasa 63.91. So it continues to move upward, si SMPH. And let's check if there is a target price. SM Prime Holdings, may buy rating po siya with a target price of 40. So right now nasa 38.30, about to reach the target price, mga 6% na lang po upside. Yan po. But we're waiting for the 2022 results of operations, and the target price may change based on that. And then finally, we have ACEN. Bumababa si ACEN. ACEN is an index stock, but probably ay meron pong, hindi ko po alam, hindi ako familiar sa news sa ACEN kasi. But it's moving down. And right now it's at 675 and it's bearish. The other day it was overbought, nasa 77.32 po ang kanyang RSI. So it's now below support level, and the next support level ay nandito po sa area to, nasa 625 po. And the next resistance level ay nakikita po dito sa area to, 730. But we are looking for the next support level at 625. Okay, so the other day it was overbought, then it went down. So if you were able to sell here, then well and good, If you were able to buy at this point, then well and good then. So ACEN is one of the stocks na it follows the RSI, Oversold, you buy. Overbought, you sell. Okay? So yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-17 ng Enero. Ito po si Benji Chador nagpapaalala, ang investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay. Hanggang sa muli, stay safe, God bless. Bye for now.